Hi guys, just wanted to bring you along as I unbox my new toy. So I've been sewing for a very long time, but little did I know that there were actually tools out there to help me along the way other than a sewing machine. So this little toy that I purchased this weekend is called a Hercules electric cutter for fabric. And I have a big job that's already in the works, but it's 10-ounce canvas and it's multiple colors that I have to cut out. And I knew that I needed to expedite this process. Plus, I knew physically it would be straining to have to cut this heavy of a fabric in repetitive pieces out of different colors. So I started researching electric cutters on eBay and Amazon, but Amazon for some reason attracted me more to the selection that they had available. And then also too, I like to read reviews before I jump into anything. So there were a couple that attracted me, but this one in particular, the reviews just sounded really good. So I trusted them and I ordered it. So this was about $124 and I think it was free shipping. But anyway, I have to tell you too that I have never operated an electric cutter, but you'll be able to see from my demonstration here in just a little bit how simple it was to use this. All right, so I've got it out of the box and I'm just kind of looking it over because it does look strange to me. But the manual is very simple to read and understand. So they did point out that you can cut vinyl and, of course, fabric, just plies of fabric. I don't know how many it'll cut up to, just depending on the weight of the fabric. But what I have for demonstration is like a high quality muslin that I folded 4 times. So basically I have 8 plies to try to cut through, and I also have some leather on standby to see if it'll actually cut through the leather. It is recommending that you kind of keep the blade oiled, so to speak. There's like a little pad on the side that absorbs oil and it kind of runs up against the blade. So they said for every 50 hours of use, you want to drop a couple of dabs of oil in, which they provided the little oil dispenser. So that wouldn't be a problem. And there's also a sharpening stone, and they recommended that you sharpen the blade by holding down this stone, pressing it up against the blade for about 2 to 3 seconds. They didn't say how often to do that, but I would assume that if you do start to notice signs of the blade dulling, that's when you would want to use that stone to sharpen it, which it's already built in, so it's beautiful. And then there's actually 3 different RPM speeds to the blade. So I kept it on the very first speed because I didn't want to get carried away. But there is I believe it's 1200 it goes up to in regard to the highest speed, which was not necessary for me. Now, when I get frustrated, yeah, I'm going to kick this baby into high gear. But for now, I just kept it on the lowest speed possible because I was kind of nervous and scared. I've never done this before. So you'll see that I'm going through the muslin like a hot butter through knife, and I was so impressed. There's also a LED light on there that you just hold down the speed button for 3 seconds and the light pops on and off. And I have the leather to the side. So this is basically, when I'm just checking out my tension on my walking foot machine, I keep that nearby. So, and that was the extra piece of a strap that I was working on. So I'm going to use both of these to see if the blade will also work on the leather. And you will see that like a breeze, it just goes right through it. So I'm so impressed with this. I don't know why I've waited so long and not have had this in my life, but I'm so glad that me and this new toy of mine met today, and I can't wait to put it to use. Like I said, I have some 10-ounce canvas, which would have been a strain to have to cut manually with scissors or either a rotary cutter. But this electric rotary cutter is going to be heaven to me. So that was my review on the Hercules, and I love this thing. So far, so good. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask, but I'm almost excited about starting this new job of cutting, I'm ready to dive in there. So appreciate your likes and your subscription. See you next time.